The yuan just hit its lowest level in 18 years. And while the media focuses on tension between China and the US, something far more strategic is unfolding behind the scenes, because Ripple is quietly positioning itself to become a central pillar of the new global financial system. Trump just negotiated a 90-day tariff pause with 75 countries. Markets are reacting. XRP is holding strong above $2. Bitcoin is near $81,000. But don't get too comfortable. This pause is temporary, and the biggest catalyst of all still hangs in the air: a possible agreement between the US and China. If that happens, we're looking at a potential breakout across all crypto markets. And in the background, whale activity is exploding. A single purchase of 20 million XRP, about $40 million, was transferred to a cold wallet yesterday. Someone is preparing for something big, and that someone isn't playing small. Meanwhile, rumors continue to swirl. Could Ripple act like a central bank? Could it replace the Fed's liquidity role using XRP as a bridge asset? While it may sound wild, think about this. Ripple still controls a large reserve of XRP in escrow. It's not far-fetched to imagine it becoming a liquidity provider for commercial and even central banks, especially if the US decides to weaken or abolish the Federal Reserve, a move Trump himself has floated. And then there's the Brics alliance, designed to sideline the US dollar in global trade. Brics nations want to settle payments in local currencies. Ripple could be the bridge that makes that transition possible, one that connects fragmented systems without relying on the US dollar. And while all of this unfolds, we're seeing increasing activity on Binance. 355 million XRP, around $400 million, just moved. Could be a sale, could be an internal transfer. But either way, the volume is massive, and it keeps happening. Ripple has already laid the groundwork with ISO 20022 integration. It's already in talks with governments. And if the Fed weakens, Ripple is right there. With the infrastructure ready to step in, we're witnessing the beginning of a new financial era, quietly, strategically, and on-chain. What do you think? Could Ripple step into a central bank-like role? Could these whale movements be early signals of a bigger shift? Let me know in the comments. Drop a like if you're watching this play unfold closely, and stay tuned because the next chapter is coming fast.